Bio30, I'm back again. This is just me posting one short video to give you an example of how to do your last worksheet. It's the mutation worksheet. And once students know how to do this, they usually like this one because it's kind of like solving a puzzle. So you have your original DNA sequence strand that's given to you, and I've already transcribed it into mRNA, and I've also figured out the amino acids. So if you want, you can just copy me. I don't care. This is the original DNA sequence. Now, this first example here, mutated DNA sequence number 1, I'm going to give you a little hint. If this DNA sequence had an extra letter than the original, that's a big clue to me that it's an insertion. If it was missing a letter, it had one less letter than the original, then that would be a big clue to me. This is the deletion. This particular sequence has the same number of letters as the original. So that's a huge clue that this one is a substitution. And I just need to figure out where. So I'm just going to compare TAC, TAC, that's the same. ACC, ATC. Oh, here's where the substitution is. I have thymine substituted in for cytosine. So what I did after that then is I transcribed it into mRNA, and then I figured out the amino acid sequence. And this second codon ended up coding for a stop. So that's going to definitely screw up this protein. So will there likely be effects? Yes. The only time there's not effects is if it's a silent. Every other one is a yes here. What kind of mutation is this? This is a substitution, and it's a nonsense, because that's what happens when it codes for a stop and the rest of the protein isn't made. If it was a silent mutation, it would be a substitution where the amino acid does not change with the mutation. And remember that if it was a missense, the amino acid changes to a different one. Insertions and deletions are the ones that cause frame shifts, which are usually much worse than substitutions. All right, I hope this helps you with the rest of the worksheet. Give me a shout if you need more help. Thanks, bye.